show you how to install the solar panels on the ground or roof. The solar panels can be installed on the flat ground and roof. This is the front legs. This is rear legs. This is end clamp. This is middle clamp. First, fix the adjustable front leg and rear legs on the ground of roof, and fix the rail onto the front and rear legs. Then put the solar panels on the rails and adjust the front and rear legs to make the solar panel stay at the correct angle. The rear leg head can be adjusted between 40 cm and 70 cm. Finally, fix the solar panels onto the rails with end clamps. This is roof hooks. This is end clamp. This is middle clamp. We need to fix the roof hooks on the slope tile roof first, and fix the rail onto the roof hooks. Then put the solar panels on the rails and adjust the hole of the roof hook to make the solar panels stay at the correct angle. Finally, fix the solar panels onto the rails with end clamp. This is middle clamp to be placed between two-piece solar panels. This is L hooks. This is end clamp. This is middle clamp. If the slope roof is airy roof, you only need to fix the L-shaped hooks on the roof. Other processes left are the same with the tile roof. The angle of solar panel brackets can be adjusted between 15 degrees and 30 degrees. Tanfon solar safety system is with IoT app, which can extend the warranty of the solar system components. Tanfon solar safety system also can protect you and your belongings.